Hello guys, magandang araw. So, ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung aming free toolkit under Bread and Pastry Production NC2 ng scholarship ng TESDA. So, finally, it's worth the wait. After 1 year and 5 months of waiting, so na-receive na namin yung toolkit namin under STEP program ng TESDA Scholarship Bread and Pastry. Ayan siya guys. So, ito yung ating oven. 45 liters yan guys. And meron pa siyang kasamang hand mixer. May kasama ng mixing bowl. Ayan. So, pwede na tayo mag-bake dyan guys. Ito pwede pang panimulang pang negosyo. So, pag merong opportunity guys na nag-o-offer sa municipality ninyo under pre-scholarship ng TESDA, grab nyo agad guys kasi sayang naman yung mga freebies tsaka yung learning na matututunan ninyo. And then pag pumasa pa kayo, laking tulong dahil NC2, magkakaroon kayo ng certificate, National Competency 2. So magbala kayo mag-abroad, magagamit nyo siya guys. So advice ko